Wait, I'm slipping!
Wow, it's so windy today.
Look at our kite!
Ready to fly it?
Yes, let's go!
It's going up!
Wow, it's so high!
Wait, it's pulling hard!
Hold it tight, Leo!
I'm trying! It's too strong!
Don't let go! Don't let go!
I can't stop it!
Leo, be careful!
It's pulling me! Wait, it's stuck!
Where is it?
Up there, in the tree.
Don't go too high!
I have to get it back.
I'm scared.
I'll be careful.
Please don't fall!
Almost there. I got!
Really? Leo!
I'm okay. I'm coming down.
Don't scare me like that.
Next time, we'll be more careful.